Hello students, so I'll be solving a very important sum of number system, class 9 chapter 1, express root 5 on a number line. So to express number 5, root 5 on number line. So for that, if we take a right angle triangle with base BC as 2 unit and altitude AB as 1 unit, then by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find AC. So what does the Pythagoras theorem states? Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. मतलब AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. So hypotenuse square AC square equal to 2 square plus 1 square. That is 4 plus 1. So AC square is equal to 5. If AC square is equal to 5, AC will be root 5. This square goes to other side as root 5 root. Okay, now we will be doing this in constructing it and finding out the distance of the hypotenuse and putting it in the number line. Let's do it. For this, I have drawn the base B and this is C. This is C. So BC is 2 units. This is my 1 unit. This is another 1 unit. So this is 2 units. I have drawn the line and I have marked 2 units BC as base. Now on B, I'll be drawing a perpendicular. So I have taken an arc of any dimension. I'm drawing a arc. Without altering, I'm cutting the arc at 2 points, and then I'll be cutting it above to make a intersection point. So this point and B will be joined to for a altitude. Okay. So I've joined the arc with the line. I'll be cutting this with the 1 unit dimension. This is my 1 unit dimension. I'll be cutting this at 1 unit dimension. So this is my altitude. So this is my A point. So let us write it A. This is my A point. Now I'll be joining A to C as a hypotenuse. This will be my hypotenuse. At this distance will be my root 5 distance. So let us do it.
0.
So I've joined A to C and I'm taking the distance AC. So this is my root 5 distance. So I'll be marking from point B, that is my 0 point. This is my root 5. This is my root 5 on a number line. Thank you, students. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to express root 3 on a number line. So for this, we have to make a right angle triangle with base and altitude 1 unit so that the hypotenuse is 2 root 2. So we make a right angle triangle with base 1 unit, altitude 1 unit, and hypotenuse will be root 2. Please watch my root 2 video, express root 2 on a number line for making root 2 on a number line. So here in the diagram, ABC, I've taken BC base 1 unit, AB altitude 1 unit, so hypotenuse is root 2. Now we take root 2 as base. Now we are taking root 2 as base and altitude as 1 unit to find the hypotenuse. So we are taking altitude as 1 unit. So altitude is AD, base is AC, and hypotenuse is DC. So using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square, DC square equal to root 2 square plus 1 square, that is DC square equal to 2 plus 1, root 2 into root 2 is 2. Remember, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. So DC square is 3. So DC is root 3. The square goes to the other side and becomes root. Now we have found out that DC is root 3. Now this I'll be constructing and we'll finding the distance. This is rough work. This is very important. This you have to write it down to get full marks. So I'll quickly brief you on how we have got root 2. I've drawn a line, taken 1 unit of any dimension. So BC is my 1 unit. Then at point B I have drawn a perpendicular, taken an arc, cut the arc at 2 points without changing its dimension, and then further cut it above and join the intersection point to get a perpendicular. Then without disturbing, I've extended the line and I've taken the 1 unit and cut. So AB is my 1 unit, that is my altitude, and AC is my root 2. So now this AC is my base now, and I'll be constructing 90 degree at point A. Let's do it. So I'm drawing an arc at point A. So let me pierce the compass needle at point A. See, I'm drawing an arc at point A. Without changing the arc dimension, I'm cutting the arc at 2 points. First point, here, and from this cut position I'm further cutting it above. First cut, second cut, hold to get a intersection point. Then I'll be joining this A to the intersection. So I've taken the dimension 1 unit and I'm cutting this line from A. This 1 unit is cut here. So this is my D. Now D I'll be joining with C. D with C to get root 3. So I'm taking DC dimension and I'm cutting this on a number line to get root 3. So here the root 3 is cut. So this is my root 3 on a number line. So 0, 1 unit, root 2, root 3. Thank you, students. Please share and subscribe my channel.